about to take a boat, folks. Very common here to take this boat to go on the water. So just trying to figure out where to sit. Balance things out here. Ay, ay, ay. Up we go. I think this one goes to the old soup. So basically just taking out the Dubai Creek over to the old souk area for just 1 dirham, 35 cents. Pretty cheap. Great experience. Nothing like being on a boat underwater, I'm telling you, that's therapy, man. Alrighty, well, let's take a walk and see why everybody is coming here. Now it's just another part of, I guess, the general dairy area, but this is very old, very traditional, which is good. Sugarcane juice, always get some. I might get some again. Nice, very, very nice. I like it. Don't know where to go. Well, let's get lost. Later on, my friend, later on. Fresh juices, man. I spend all my money on fresh juices. So as I said, old part of town. Sure, what's up? Lots of restaurants everywhere you go anyway. Isn't that just spectacular right there? Kids are frail.
Hey, sorry brother. Actually, she's my wife. She's my belief.
You know, I have not eaten all day long. Typical of me when I travel. I like to eat at night. I think that's part of the reason. So I want to wait until it's nighttime where I can get something to eat. Because I'm up late anyway. Sugarcane juice. Can't go wrong with that, folks. Some corn and sugarcane. Nice. Nice. Alright, so old part of town, you know, I like it. I really do. Won't do much but a brief exploring and kind of head back to hotel and chill. Kind of time to round off this little adventure, so taking things easy at this point. More of the same, really. Just that things out here will be a bit cheaper and you're gonna meet a lot more, you know, less touristy at least. Unlike the GBR area, that first part when we landed we were in. Alright. I think that's enough, folks. Let's take the boat back. This is nice. Colorful. Reminds me of India, but of course a lot of the folks here are Indians. So this is it, folks.